Hello, my dear friends. I would like to welcome you to my channel, Akambriyu. So today I'm bringing you a lesson, learning phonetic symbols and its sound to use correct English pronunciation. Hello, Pingrang. Angni channel na, Akambri channel na nga nasimang ko rin sakto nakatakus yung biya. Talo anching phonetic symbol aro uni kamatani ko anching skira again. Deta ko de anching English ko tik take gamat na kataman again. Wani gaman anching skira again. Angaya quantity aga nagtas kenga. Angaya phonetic sound ba symbol ko skio nat pa sauba donggen ko nen bana sengachum. Di ba darang ko ba nga nagsujaha. Uni gaman nga yako dao skio nagata antangan taringa. Anga Arita belsirangas kangan hazal gani bri belsimangon anga yako skira aha ndeken baranga yako gepenrangna onang skana chongmatan daldroba inggipa sadam birangna yako nang skana anin bananga chanchiachim diba anga matning jaha diba dawanga yako dakatna gatanga taringa ndeken bara anga yako agana gata kuchong inchim anchingni achku sianirang odi anching english kon jakhalai ndeken bana english ko anching Sia arubaudu ni kena cengde jakala andiba cengni achku sia ni rangode ceng mailaka metam rangkode ceng jakalja uni gemena ceng jemangan namgepa school rango poraina mataman paja wamangdi gamat narangba namedeki man paja andiba jemangan nama school rango foundation nama school rango poraya cem wamangdi nami gamat naba changa andegen menang ni mungsung bati anu concentrate ka ni de anga Jemangan nama school rangor ina kataman paja aroba namgepa skini rangko man paja nak barang nang mongsong bati dia concentrate ka inga ande gembana yako ni swing pasakantian na simang skira na kataman gen angni mongsong bat kepa skira ani di chingni skira ani di ching phonetic symbol aro uni sound rangni geman ching skira gen ande gembana anga yako agana ta kusiong gen jemangan yako nami mancha skira na skenga na simang channel ko subscribe ana kata mangen maina yani lesson rangara adita banggen ada lesson gi bunga ge do kongna badonga warang ko anching skill angode ko serially mana kata nangen uni gemen subscribe pabu unodin asimang ya gemekon lesson ko mansugen uni gemen anga chadam birang ko bongja maina ba teacher ka ingpa ko bongja maina ba politically daleng ge barang ko bongja maina ya english phonetic symbol ni gemen namitaki mancha skirai agan pacina kata anga mona kata kusyong bia anga blongin manaha ga suahan yang agan tangko kara pura sakcenga ndiba jekon manaha ku anga ba cikja trangna anin badanga sualang panas kenga haina ke ongode anching dao lesson na ching start let's come to real practical now we have written here phonetic symbols and its sounds anching yano practical na ribana dekin bana yano ndeki ya topic ko seha phonetic symbols aro uni Gamanirang bas sounds nimbana siaha. Again bana yanu naknagtaman again we will see here the question what is phonetics. Here normal spelling is phonetics but real pronunciation of phonetic spelling pronunciation is phonetics. So we will be following this one. Again bana anching yanu naknagtaman again micro phonetics mga nen bana singa yano singahan ken bana yana akan sakinga phonetics spelling ya spelling donga ya phonetic ni pronunciation anching ya kata anching jar ka again. So I want to show you my teaching materials. I have one book here, Cambridge English Pronouncing Dictionary, and then another book is I'm using this one, Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary. And then additional this is my notebook which I have written earlier when I was in phonetic class ya angni skiating pa menggetam teaching material rango pangsaki anga yako skiatinga uni gemen hayan ching practical na ribana. Let's come to practical yano for this answer, what is phonetics? Answer is here. Phonetic is defined as the study of the sounds of human speech using the mouth, throat, nasal, and sinus cavities. Nan chinik nak taman gen angaya ko piatiagan gen. Phonetic kara mandini aganing pa kurang ko anchingni kusik getok gengteng aro wareng rang ko jakhalin bana gamatani ko anchingni study ka ani ba Horeani nonga nin bana gana. Nekemana, let's come to another point. There are 44 sounds in English phonetics. Yano anching nagtaman gen phonetic symbols ranguni 44 sounds rang dongana. There are 44 sounds in English phonetics. There are 12 vowel sounds. Among the vowel sounds, we have 7 short sounds and 5 long sounds. Ya mengcigni vowel sounds rang donga. Mengcigni vowel sounds rang uniko baktak tayaha short sound ragi isni donga. Ande kemana long sound ragi bunga donga. Yako anjing poraigen. Lekin bana another one is 8 vowel diphthong sounds. 2 letters sounding together. Diphthong means 2 letters sounding together. Diphthong ni maksudnya di letter gini ba alphabet gini apsan sumayo gamdem kepako diphthong senin benagana. Lekemna 24 consonant sounds. Yarangko taking all this it came to 44 sounds. Yarangko chandema hode gemak 44 sounds donga. So today we will be taking from this 3 and then from this 2 and then from this 2. We will be learning only 7 sounds. Okay, let's come to 7 I have told you earlier, we will be taking 3 sounds from vowel sound and then 2 sounds for diphthong sounds. Here we are taking I, U, A, 3 sounds for vowel sound and 2 sounds A, I. So we have here, I have written here, one left side is normal spelling and then right side is phonetic spelling in this. So here, this one is E, short E sound. It's not I sound. Yadi I sound ungjan, diba? E sound. E. Kandik kepa gamat kepa. I nin bana kama, degen bana. Yara U nin bana kama, degen bana yara A nin bana kama. I, U, A. Yan deken bana, yagam again. Deken bana, let's come to spelling and its sounds. E short sound. This one is I-T. Here is E-T. I-T, it. E-T, it. P-I-G, pick. And then here, P-E-G, pick. T-R-I-C-K, trick. And then here, T-R-E-K, trick. These are the phonetic spelling, and then this is the normal spelling. So let's come to U sound, short U sound. U, good. G-U-D, good. Cook, C-O-O-K, cook. And then here, K-U-K, cook. And then another one is B-O-O-K, book, normal spelling. And then here, B-U-K, book. And then let's come to A sound. Yeah, A sound not bana. Short A sound. Here, S-C-U-T, cut. And then here, K-A-T, cut. Yeah, not yeah, short A sound. Like bana, S-U-N, sun. S-A-N, sun. B-U-S, bus. B-A-S, bus. Likewise, we will be pronouncing. So we will be learning to identify the symbols. If you know the symbols, you will know how to pronounce also. So let's come to diphthong sound. A sound. This one is, I have already written 2 letters sounding together. A. A. Here, normal spelling and phonetic spelling is here. I have written only 3 sounds. Here, phonetic spelling. Phonetic in normal spelling, P-A-Y, people used to pronounce pay. Mandirang yako pay ni mana gamat rongaya, diba? Real pronunciation di ano, anjing nak taman gen. Phonetic spelling ode real pronunciation yade pay nin mana gama. Ontiti in gapari angzola. Pay nin mana pay. And then second is save. Save. S-A-F. Save. D-A-T-E. Date. And then here D-A-T. Date. Let's come to another diphthong sound. I sound. I. R-I-C-E. We are always defending on this. I mean, basing on this phonetic spelling to pronounce this one. Rise. I. Rise. R-I-S. Rise. Here, N-I-C-E. N-I-S. Nice. K-I-T here, normal spelling, and then here K-I-T. Kite. Likewise, we will learn, and then if you know all the symbols and its sound, you will be able to speak exactly like a native English speaker. Let's come to consonant sound. Now, let's come to consonant sound. In consonant sound, we are taking only 2 symbols, P and F. I have written here P versus F. Anjing yano consonant sound rangoni menggeni kusan rainga P aro F. Ino P skang apa? Leken bana. Ino nekesiha. When we pronounce P, lower lip and upper lip touches each other. Jangan salo. Anjing P ko gamata unode ya kama gapa kucel aro ya kosa gapa kucel pangnan touch kagerkana nanggerkana jekai pa ndeke mana pangnan nanggerkana ndeke mana yana anjing ning nang taman gen anjing yan ko pronounce ka anina P sound no anjing pronounce ka anina pay anjing ni kucel rang nanggerkenga paint put yan leken bana anjing ni kama gapani kucel aro kusa gapani kucel rang nanggerka. Hai tahu anjing F benar ibas kana. When we pronounce F, lower lip touches upper teeth. Anjing daudi ni kana tamat nenga. Ya F ko pronounce ka ang ode. Ya lower lip para kama gapani kucel ara ya kusa gapani wagam kusa touch ka iskagenna. Jekai fa yang ni kama kapani kucilko ya kusa kapani wagamo nangatskaya fa leken bana ina anjing nak taman gen ya ko anjing kamatin igen ya no pangsaken bana anjing kamatin igen anjing kamatna face ino anga kama kapani kucilko kusa kapani wagamo anga donin bana kamatinga face arunun ya no balwa ungkatinga face ya ko kamatun balwa ungkata lekemna fail F-A-L, fail. File. F-I-L, file. Bani kaman, anjing yano, anjing ya fail ko anjing pangnan gamat nagtaning runga, anjing dia ko P-E-L-L kata taki gamat ya, di ba P-E-L-L kata anjing gamat nagtanang ja, fail ni gamat nang ja, di ba fail. Yano anjing pangnan gamat nagtananga. Bani kaman, dan lesson ko dia anjing inon don tonganggen, anjing next lesson no anjing yana batti nambate anjing thariang na joton kana bani gaman sakantikon ni swing pa sakantikon anga diki aga nakta kusyonggen anga yako chugumuk matna gata na simang subscribe kabo aro record kabo no dina simang gemuk ko matna gata man gen no di anjing english ko tik tak taki aga na gata man gen ni swing pa sakantikon matela